In this video, let me show you how to fix the maximum number of attempts reached on TikTok. Now, this usually happens if you try to log into your TikTok account and you're not being able to do so because of the incorrect credentials. Then in this situation, the first thing that you can do is try to switch your network. So what you can do is, firstly, if you are currently connected to a Wi-Fi, then you can switch to a mobile data and try to see if you can now log in using your credentials. If this is not the case with you and if this does not solve the issue, then what you can do is clear the app cache of the TikTok application. So what you can do is just tap and hold the app, head over to this eye icon. Once you're inside of the settings page, tap on clear data and then tap on the clear cache option. Once you complete this step, make sure you clear out the TikTok app from the recent app list and try to see if the issue is solved. If the issue still persists, what you can lastly try out is try to uninstall TikTok from your device and then again re-download it. If none of these solutions work out, what you'll need to do is at least wait out 30 to 60 minutes for the temporary restrictions to be lifted. But however, in some cases, it may also take up to 24 hours. So depending upon your case, you'll need to wait out a few minutes, so 30 to 60 minutes. And if it still does not work out for you, then you can try out in 24 hours. I do hope this guide video was helpful to you. If it was, be sure to subscribe, share, and also give this video a thumbs up.